Did you know that we can do long division with algebra problems instead of regular numbers? Well, we're going to do it the same way as a normal long division. First, we need to divide, then we multiply, and then we subtract. So first, we need to divide. We're going to take this first part here, x squared, and divide it by x. Well, dividing out an x will cancel out one of the x's here, so we're only left with one of them. So we're going to have x at the top here. Then we need to multiply. So we need to multiply x with what's over here. So x times x is 2x's or x squared, and x times 5 is just 5x. You can't multiply a number in a letter. Then we need to subtract, but if we just took these and added them together, that would be, well, adding. So to subtract, we need to change the signs. So this is going to become a minus, and then this is going to become a minus as well. So we have x squared minus x squared, that's just 0, those cancel out. And then 3x minus 5x, I like to think of it as dollars. You had $3, you lost 5, you're down $2. So that's going to be minus 2x. So we're done with divide, multiply, and subtract, but we do have this minus 10 here. So we're going to bring down the minus 10 and do the same thing. So dividing, negative 2x divided by x. The 2x's cancel, and we're just left with negative 2. Then we multiply. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and then negative 2 times 5, 5 times 2 is 10, and then the minus sign stays. And then we need to subtract. Remember, that means changing the signs here. So these are both minuses, they're now both pluses. Negative 2x plus 2x, those cancel out, that's 0, and then minus 10 plus 10, those also just turn into 0. So we're left with no remainder at the bottom, which means our final answer is x minus 2.